All right, guys, so for health today, we're going to be talking about calories. So we've kind of gotten into how we are going to be eating healthy and the food groups and all that fun stuff. So now we're going to be talking about calories, and I'll have a couple of questions on teams for you guys to answer, okay? So what are calories? We measure how much energy is in food with calories. We gain calories when we eat. These calories give us energy to be active and move around. When you eat more calories, then you move around and your body stores up the calories and fat. If you use more calories than you eat, then your body will burn up stored fat. So basically, guys, what that is saying is that the more you eat, the more you'll have to be active to burn off those calories. Otherwise, you're going to start getting pudgy. So at your guys' age, you don't really need to worry about it too much because you guys have quick metabolisms. So this little fun fact is actually kind of important for you guys. Well, some of you guys. So kids between the ages of 6 and 12 years old should get around 1,600 to 2,200 calories today or per day, depending on how active they are. So basically, just make sure that you're eating enough, but you're also getting enough exercise to make sure that you stay healthy, okay? So I am going to have you guys complete this sentence. So it says, calories give me energy to what? So remember, calories, when you put them in your body, they give you energy so you can go work out, you can go play, you can ride your bike, whatever it may be. So I want you guys to finish that sentence, and then I'll have a couple more questions that link up to that as well. So go ahead and go over to Teams and answer those questions.